Guys, today I have a bandies. I broke my Lego Rolls Royce Phantom as I build a Lego butterfly knife. So today that's our vlogging. Here it is. It can freaking folds. See? It can folds. Use this piece. Wait a second. That's how you use it. You need this and this piece. Put them together, and then you have a folding butterfly knife. Actually, I have one of these. I have one of these, but there's a one missing part of this. This is the one of I have. This is the missing part. This. I miss it because I actually don't know why I missed it. So okay, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye.